Alright, in this video I will give you a quick overview of what we have here. This is the old drone that I have. It's pretty fantastic. The biggest problem I have with this is it's pretty unstable. It's hard to, land it on things just right. This one I'm hoping is going to be more stable. Both of them are pretty light. This is a little bit lighter, this white one. It's also a little bit smaller. And obviously it holds a battery that is also smaller. So we'll have to see what that does to run times. See, the size of the batteries are considerably different. They both have cameras on them, and they both have the FPV option. So we'll see which one does a better job. This one, this white one, was a little bit cheaper than this one, but I'm hoping that it will fly better. We'll just have to see. And overall, they have the same connector, I believe, to charge up the batteries. Yeah, it's all pretty standard. So that's one thing that's pretty cool across these Hubsan. This is kind of like platform that they're kind of intra-compatible with a bunch of the stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you out to understand these drones a little bit better, and hopefully get some really good FPV flights for you to take a look at. It's kind of interesting how the antennas are a little bit different on these two models. This is antennas coming out all the way out here with this cool rubber system, and this just has the antenna flopping around. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.